Tanja sits with her guide dog, Nabu.
My name is Tanja and I'm the Braille Production Specialist at the Perkins Library. This is my guide dog, Nabu.
Montage of Tanja and Nabu.
I got her in winter of 2017. A fun fact about Nabu is that she loves to give hugs. She puts her paws on your shoulders, stands up on her hind legs, and tries to lick your face. Nabu's very important in my day-to-day for navigation. She will help me find doors and stairs, cross streets safely. So just in my day-to-day, there's so many things that she assists with. And even the companionship. She's like the office therapy dog at the library. Everyone loves her. And it's like a family. Like, we come in and she can't wait to go to work. She's very loving. She's so cuddly. I can feel the love coming off of her. She just kind of brings that positivity to my life.
Text on screen, Perkins School for the Blind.